Good morning, everybody.
We are, if you can guess, wow.
We are waiting for Matthew K to come here and get to me so I could go play paintball. Not paintball, airsoft.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. We got a parking lot. That's what I'm looking at for a little bit. This parking lot's actually really cool because it's 4 parking spots and 3 handicapped. So that's pretty cool. I don't know what's really in there. Don't really want to know.
Trying to get pranked. Josh can't use it. I have GMPs back in my stuff. Watch out. Hey, the ball's right into the girl. Ball with the girl. The ball right next to it. Someone more. Let's go! He's out. Follow out. Watch out for the silo right there. Hold on, let me. That's Brandon. It's Brandon. Yeah, he's over in the corner over there. Watch down that way. It's clear down that way. Watch it though. Right there. Yeah. Right in the corner.
No. What?
Okay. We good? We're good now, right?
I guess.
Game's over now. Bump hands. Bump
Nah, I'm bumping hands with him.
Knock knuckles or you're
Nah.
leaving. You're leaving. Knock knuckles or you're leaving.
It's not my fault he's a shitter.
Bro, you can leave, bro. Go ahead.
What
You're
are
done. Go ahead. You're done. Go ahead.
Nah.
Nah, dude. That's not the attitude I want here.
Bro.
Let you come back and play, and then you start fucking dumping on people.
I'm not dumping
He's got
people.
an LMG, and he turns and sprays you, and then
No,
you turn and shoot back.
My homie shot him
You
before.
literally ran into him. You
Yeah,
ran into him,
I
bro.
shot him. I have it all on footage. I can show you the footage.
And what did you do afterwards?
I shot him because he kept shooting me.
What's your attitude right now?
I'm just defending what I did.
You can leave.
No.
You're not trying to get any clicks or anything like that. You're not gonna play like assholes.
No, we just came to play Airsoft.
Solid. I'm just asking because see with the head cams.
Hey man. They kicked me out for so hold up. They kicked me out, believe it or not, for calling someone a shitter. Can you believe that, bro? They kicked me out for doing that. This field, never come in. If you're in Oceanside, never come in. What are my mother? Bro, I'm telling you, they kicked me out for calling someone a shitter. After I swept their spawn, and then he got mad and autoed me. So it's like, I don't know, man. This field, hey, that ref, Lando, you have soft ass feelings. You have soft ass feelings, bro. They soft as shit. Lando, you a ref, but you a bad ref, and you soft. So, yeah. Yeah, that's the end of the video. We're leaving base right now. Good thing it was like 5 minutes, 10 minutes away from me, but it's whatever. That's crazy.